you're a hick, then you should be singing country and western.
Bradley, I'm trying to practice for my world singing tour.
Stacy, honey, baby, sweetie, cookie, just stick with me, kid. Do you work here? You're fired. We're live at the cereal bowl, and it's an overflow crowd.
Wait, Bradley, I've got the hiccup.
Trust me, babe, the show must go on.
But yeah! Hiccup!
Hope you're afraid of heights.
Why?
Trust me, babe. Look down. What'd I tell you? It's under control. Now get out of here and...
Bradley!
Here, take a few sips of water. Trust me, it'll be showtime in no time. Sweetie, honey, cookie, baby, save it for the show. Now get out there. We're gonna be huge. We're doomed. Stacy, you know what this means?
Yeah, it means you're fired.
Fired? This is our big break. It's the first annual Hiccupalooza Festival. What are you waiting for, Stace? Let's get this show on the road.
Bad news, B-Man. No more hiccups.
Not funny, Stacy. Now come on.
I mean it.
You can't do this to me. I got a solo crowd out there. Some of these life forms came from the other side of the universe.
Come on, Bradley, we gotta go.
No way. They're gonna want their money back. And some of them have ray guns.
Hi, Mom. Tough day at work?
Uh-huh. I was on my feet all day.
Come on, Bradley. Mom needs to recharge her batteries.
Thank you, dear.
Let's watch the music channel. The Screeching Earbusters have a new video that's got gravy.
Bradley, Mom needs a little peace and quiet.
So what do you want to...
Well.
Uh-oh. Wait a minute. This isn't Earth.
Sharp eyes, Sherlock. Welcome, puny Earth boy.
Ah! It's the planet of the girls!
Hi, Bradley.
Bradley.
Hi. He's cute. He's dreamy. Wanna play, doll?
Take him to the tea party.
Oh, goody.
A tea party. Here's a little peace and quiet. Too much to ask for.
Sorry, Mom.
So now what do you want to do? Oh, man, this is freaky. First you had him, then I had him, and now Frank has him. Are hiccups contagious?
No. Unless... maybe it's some genetically mutated hiccup virus. Catch him! No sign of the great white fright, Captain O'Bradley. May as well head back to port.
Arr, the Frank what took me leg be out there somewhere. I feels it in me bones. All we need is the right bait.
Hey!
There isn't a Frank in all the 7 seas can resist that cheese pooper. Arr!
There you go!
Jib the flipper! Haul up the keel! Heave 2! Heave 3!
Take the patient to my laboratory. We must isolate the hiccup virus before it spreads to more innocent people.
Yes, Dr. von Stickin.
First, we must remove the pesky hiccups. A hiccupectomy.
Yes, Dr. von Cheese and Bacon Burger.
Bigger, we've got it. Finally, the world is safe from the hiccups.
I'll take that.
Ah, Lance McBoyle, my evil nemesis.
And his incredibly smelly henchman.
What?
Seek them prawns.
Pound you later, Von Dweebenstein.
Yeah.
We must stop them, Bigger. If they unleash the hiccup, the entire world could be doomed.
Cool.
Bradley, Stacy, pero ¿qué pasa aquí?
Run, Mrs. Salazar! Mutant hiccups are spreading everywhere!
Hey, tontito. Estos no son contagiosos, ¿eh? Ahora... ¡Uy!
Ah! They got Mrs. Salazar! Run! Ah! Dale, you gotta run!
Oh man, not Dill too!
Bradley, look!
Oh man, that can't be good.
Okay, we just gotta load our hiccup ray. And then we'll rule the whole world! Ha ha ha! Ha ha!
Yeah, we rule.
Pass me the vial! You weren't supposed to throw it, doofus.
You said pass.
Man, nice
Going, dude.
We interrupt our normal programming for a special announcement. A mutant hiccup is on the loose. No one is safe from its hideous zombie power. It was last seen heading towards Bingo Beach.
This looks like a job for the Styx Files!
I've never seen anything like it, Agent Moldy. Seems to be some strange form of mass hysteria.
Come on, Agent Silly. What we saw can't be explained by normal phenomena. It's gotta be
Don't say it.
aliens.
Not this again.
Aliens from
Here it comes.
Uranus!
Moldy? Moldy! Moldy, are you all right? Yeah! Dad! The hiccup! It got Bradley and... Oh no! It's got everybody! Ah! Oh no! It's blocked!
Oh, now what?
Mom! Let me in! Mom! No! Stay back! Bad guy today!
What's all the yelling about?
Could you please explain to me, young lady, what was so important that it couldn't wait until I finished my...
Oh no!
The Hiccups are coming! They could be in your neighborhood! You could be next! Run! Run for your life!
Come on, let's move. Make yourselves proud. Looking good. Move it, Bradley.
Actually, Mr. Lederhosen, I kind of like it up here. Great view, you know. I think I'll just... An abominable Lederhosen! Whoa!
Now that's more like it.
Oh, man! Rope burn! Yow! Ouch! Ooh, hot! Ow!
A little rope burn's nothing to cry about, Bradley. You know my motto, no pain, no gain.
But all we ever gain is more pain.
You just earned yourself a little corporal punishment, Private. Wind sprints, coast to coast, give me 10.
Yes, sir.
Not bad. If you were a three-legged turtle, now hustle.
I'm gonna show him.
Class dismissed. Let this be a lesson to you, Bradley. When the Lederhosen gets tough, it's time to wake up and smell the gym socks.
Oh, yeah? Well, maybe it's time for the Bradley to get tough.
Move it, B-Man. We've got a school assembly this period, remember?
I'll be right there. Whoa! Ugh.
What took you so long?
You'll see.
So nice to see you all. As you know, it is Fitness Week here at Middlestick Elementary. And so, who better to address our assembly on this important topic than our esteemed gymnastics instructor, Mr. Lederhosen?
Not in front of the whole school.
Thank you, Principal. In honor of week, I'm here to you about the importance of regular and a healthy... if I ever find out who this, I'll...
Somebody whoopee cushion Lederhosen's shoes.
Welcome to Sticklertainment tonight. The reviews are in, and the controversial Mr. Lederhosen is a huge hit. 2 thumbs up!
I laughed, I cried. I was laughing and crying at the same time.
What?
This joke is definitely a blockbuster, and everyone is dying to know who is the mastermind behind the scenes.
Thank you. I'd just like to say...
When this, I'll make his whole family a million push-ups.
I didn't do it!
What's with you?
Nothing.
I assure you, Coach Lederhosen, I shall personally track down the perpetrator and deal with him myself.
Just be sure you leave a few crumbs for me.
Boy, I sure wouldn't want to be him.
Who?
Whoever did it. In fact, I wouldn't even want to be his best friend.
You mean you know?
Know what?
Not what. Who?
Who?
You know who. Who?
I do?
I don't know. But if you do know who, I want to know you know. You know?
What do you know, Miss Stickler?
Nothing. Stacy doesn't know anything, Mr. Coffin.
I believe Miss Stickler knows a great deal, Bradley. And she can certainly speak for herself in my office.
Yes, sir.
You wouldn't squeal, would you, Stace?
Me? Do I look like a squealer, Bradley?
Oh, I'm dead.
That's funny. You don't look
Bye, Dill.
Dead guys usually got their tongues hanging out, and they got those little axes for eyes, and their arms and legs are all over the place.
Hey, Scraggly! What's with Stacy, Miss Goody Two-Shoes, going into Coffin's office?
Yeah, 2 shoes.
She knows who put the whoopee cushions in Mr. Lederhosen's shoes. I think.
Cool. Torture time.
Did you say torture?
Yeah, she won't last 2 seconds in Coffin's Dungeon of Horrors.
Yeah, horrors.
Right this way, please. Now remember, you gotta stay with the tour group at all times, okay? You never know what might happen. So just stay with the group.
All right. We just gotta find Stacy before she squeals.
Forget it, Bradley. Coffin probably broke her with the fanny whacker.
Fanny whacker?
Yeah, Fanny.
Get me down, Bradley! You're making enough noise to wake the dead or something!
Yeah, quiet, B-Man. I'm trying to get a little rest here.
Oh no! Stace, what happened?
Duh, what's it look like? I'm a goner, Bradley.
I gotta know. Did you? You know, tell who put the whoopee cushions in Mr. Lederhosen's shoes?
Of course not.
Whew. Thanks, Stace. You're the best pal ever. Huh? I mean, you were.
At least, I don't think I told him. It's hard to remember, since my memory was cut short.
Ah! I'm doomed! What am I gonna do?
Whoa, snap out of it, will ya? You look like you've seen a ghost or something!
Maybe there's still time to get Stacy out of there in one piece. This looks like a job for Bradley Moonwalker! Come on, Dill. You can be my wingnut.
Hey! Don't you mean a wingman?
Whatever. Set course for the Doom Star! We've got to rescue Princess Squealer from Lord Coffin's evil clutches! Ah! Heads up!
I just remembered! Aren't the wingmen always the first guys to get blasted? Was I right or what? Wait a minute, Dance is what we did to a spider ship! I'll be grounded for millennium!
Never mind that. We've got to find Princess Squealer, or the Empire is doomed. Man, why do they build these stupid Doom Stars with so many hallways?
You are here!
Duh, no kidding. Only here is lost.
There yourself, Moonwalker! They got a directory, okay? You are here!
Nice work, Wingnut. Now, let's see. No. Ladies' notions? Close. Here it is. Torture devices of ultimate doom. Level 2. Let's go!
Wedgie time, dweeb walker.
Yeah, supersonic wedgie.
Save the princess for me! I'll hold them off!
But Wingnut, you'll get...
Ah!
Oh, man, Wedgie did the line of duty. Oh, no, I'm too late.
Welcome to the dark side, Princess Squealer. And now you're going to squeal the name of the whoopee cushion culprit.
Don't say it, Stace. I'm coming to the rescue. Oh, no.
What's this? Some strange alien force field.
Excuse me, you're getting nose prints on our force field. Bradley, I said you're smudging the glass. Did you want to speak to Principal Coffin?
No! Stace!
All right, I'll tell. His name is...
Ah! I can't take it anymore! It was me!
Bradley!
I did it! I'm the one who put the whoopee cushions in Mr. Lederhosen's gym shoes.
Well, then. Here's your Student of the Week award, Miss Stickler. Keep up the good work.
Thanks, Mr. Coffin.
Huh?
Mr. Lederhosen.
Principal?
There's someone in my office who'd like to speak with you.
Ah!
And all along I figured it was Russell.
Oh, man.